In October 2018, thermal cameras at Al Taqaddum Air Base, a fortified U.S. military facility in the Iraqi desert, captured something that defied conventional explanation. Drifting silently over the installation was a bizarre mass with rigid hanging appendages, moving with the fluidity of an airborne jellyfish. When the footage eventually leaked, public reaction quickly split. Mainstream commentators dismissed it as a smudge on a camera lens, while internet sleuths declared it an interdimensional alien entity. The raw telemetry identifies a highly specialized autonomous transmedium military drone. Proving its origin doesn't require raiding a classified desert base. The explicit blueprints for every capability this craft possesses are legally filed within public government archives. The raw thermal footage shows an outer hull that does not maintain a consistent temperature. Instead, it displays an active, shifting profile, fluctuating from colder than the background environment to warmer than it in real time. Mylar balloons and lens smudges maintain a static temperature relative to the air. This object displays an energetic thermal signature that shifts independently of the camera's optics as it moves over the terrain. The mechanism behind this behavior is documented in U.S. Patent 2011/021-4704A1, which details the manufacturing of an endothermic metamaterial skin. This skin utilizes the Seebeck effect, converting a temperature difference directly into electricity. The whole absorbs internal engine heat and recycles that energy into the power grid. Because the craft eats its heat signature, it becomes a thermal void, effectively invisible to infrared tracking. Looking beneath the main hull, the footage reveals several rigid, dangling appendages hanging directly from the central mass. These rigid metamaterial structures match the designs for phase-conjugated fractal antennas found in U.S. Patent 6452553. They are engineered to vacuum up every radio, Wi-Fi, and cellular transmission in a hostile urban environment simultaneously. These appendages provide the housing for miniaturized surf atomic magnetometers. These sensors detect the highly specific 1 to 2.5 Hz magnetic pulse of a human heartbeat, waves that pass through solid rock and concrete roofs with almost zero signal loss. The forensic correlation between this thermal invisibility and heartbeat detection capability creates a technical framework for a biometric hunter-killer designed for dense urban environments. The drone moves in total silence, hovering and drifting without the use of wings, rotors, or any visible jet exhaust. The blueprints for this propulsion are located in U.S. Patent 3120363A, which details the principles of electromagnetic buoyancy and magnetohydrodynamics. By generating a massive localized electric field, the drone achieves lift by ionizing the air into a plasma. The craft then uses magnetic fields to push against this electromagnetic gradient, creating lift with zero moving parts and no acoustic footprint. This lack of conventional aerodynamics allows the platform to cross domains, transitioning from the air into the ocean without a splash. The U.S. Navy patented the mechanics for this maneuver under U.S. Patent 6684805B2, describing the use of electromagnetic supercavitation. As the craft strikes the surface, intense microwave resonance instantly vaporizes the water on contact. This creates a localized vacuum of steam, allowing the platform to plunge into the deep ocean with almost zero friction. By mastering plasma aerodynamics and supercavitation, the platform operates with total impunity across both atmospheric and oceanic environments. The platform's anatomy reveals a synthesis of thermal metamaterials, surf biometric sensors, MHD propulsion, and supercavitation. Extreme government compartmentalization has conditioned the public to look at the edge of terrestrial physics and mistake it for non-human intelligence. The appearance of these specific transmedium capabilities in active theaters coincides with the activation of specialized military units, such as the 417th Test and Evaluation Squadron, at historic Black Project testing sites. The forensic evidence points toward a documented terrestrial arsenal capable of tracking a human biological signature through solid rock. The mythology of alien visitation provides a layer of public plausible deniability for an era of absolute, inescapable biometric surveillance that is already patented and visible in the public record.